Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can create your Instagram account on your laptop. To do so, first of all, just go on to instagram.com, and which will directly take you to the official website of Instagram, which I'm currently on. And now after you're on the Instagram website, you can just click on create new account, which is right down here. After you do so, it will take you to this screen where now you can either log in with your Facebook as well, or you can just create a new account by inputting your mobile number or email, your full name, and add a username to it as well, and then add a password for security. Now just input your mobile number or emails, and then after input your full name and choose a username that you like, and after that put on your password to secure your account and then hit on sign up. After that, you'll be signed up into Instagram with your new account. And that's how you can sign up into Instagram to a new account from your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.